outside?
Yes.
We have a situation.
Why didn't the drifting cloud disperse in all of the wind and rain?
This is not your everyday cirrus. This is a high-definition event. It is packed with dense concentrations of byproduct. You could almost toss a hook in there and tow it out to sea, which I'm not exaggerating at all.
That's quite an armband you got there.
Oh, this old thing?
What does SimVac mean? It sounds important.
Simulated evacuation.
But this isn't a simulation. It's real.
Or is it?
Is that real data you're running through the system, or is it just practice?
You watch. The 19T is growing inside you. It has a lifespan of 30 years. I'm getting bracketed numbers and pulsing stars!
What do you mean?
Not as such.
What do you mean?
Not in so many words.
How many words does it take?
Not a matter of words, but years. We'll know more in 15 years. In the meantime, we definitely have a situation.
So you're saying...
You're going to die well into your 80s. I'm sorry you had to find out this way.